Welcome to solverfy.
The five key points would be one, two, let's see, I think it should be like this. 1, 2, 3. The next one would be the maximum. Actually, I think this would be 3 right here, yeah. And so the ordered pairs would be 0, 5, 3, 4, 6, 3, 9, 4, and 12, 5. The amplitude, if this is our midline, we go up and down 1, so the amplitude is 1. It would mean, since this represents the number of hours after noon, and this is the depth of the water at the end of the boat dock, in feet, that from the baseline, it goes up a foot and down a foot, is what that would mean. The period is 12, where we get back to a point where we're repeating, and that would mean every 12 hours the cycle repeats. The equation of the midline would be y equals 4, and it would be the baseline. That would mean, or even like kind of like the average. The baseline is a depth of 4 feet at the end of the dock.